students, Deepa here. This class we see about the concept of sampling and sampling of analog signal. Sampling. Sampling is the process of converting the analog signal to discrete signal. Analog signal is nothing but continuous time signal. Continuous time signal, both amplitude and discrete time signal. Discrete signal is nothing but discrete time, amplitude continuous. Okay, so see for representation, signal representation. See signal, the input signal is x of t. X of t is nothing but analog signal. Analog signal as a function of the time t. The function of time t. So continuous in both amplitude and time period. Discrete time signal, that is nothing but x of n. The x of n, the discrete, the continuous, amplitude continuous, but discrete time. So the output of the discrete signal will be like this, x of n. So what is sampler? Sampler, process of converting the signal x of t into x of n. That x of n is obtained by taking the samples of analog signal x of t every t seconds. So every t seconds. So whereas t is nothing but sampling period. Sampler is every t second, whereas t is nothing but sampling period. So what is the relationship between the t and f? The t is the sampling period and f is the sampling frequency. So inverse. So 1 by fs. Nothing but the sampling period, nothing but 1 by fs. Okay. The output of the sampler, the sampler output of this signal x of t is nothing but x of n. The x of n is obtained by the taking samples of signal x of t every t second. Okay, so consider the signal x of t is nothing. X of t is 3 cos 100 pi t. 100 pi t. 100 pi is nothing but frequency in radians. That is omega is equal to 2 pi f. Whereas omega is equal to 2 pi f. That is here given x of t, omega is 100. So 100 pi. So what is omega? Omega is 2 pi f is equal to 100 pi. We get 50 hertz. This is nothing but from equation we get f. The frequency component of the signal x of t is 50 hertz. 50 hertz. So f is equal to 50 hertz. The sampling frequency. So the sampling frequency, the sample signal has to be at least twice the message frequency of the analog signal x of t. That is fs must be greater than or equal to 2 into f. So here message frequency we found, that is 50 hertz. So now what is the sample frequency? Okay, sampling frequency fs is equal to 2 into the message frequency of the signal x of t is 50 hertz. So fs is equal to 100 hertz. So the sampling frequency of the discrete time signal fs. So if signal is sampled 100 hertz, then what is the discrete time signal of that given analog signal? If the signal is sampled, fs 100 hertz, Then what is the discrete time signal? What is the discrete time signal? So as I said, converting of the signal x of t into x of n, that x of n is obtained every t second, that is x of n into t. Therefore, so given x of t, 3 cos 100 pi t. So every t second the signal is sampled, that is divided by, so frequency, the sampling frequency is found, so that is 100 pi, substitute here, and into n. So we get the discrete time signal for the discrete time signal x of n, this t nothing but n into t, x of n is equal to 3 cos n, 3 cos pi n. See, x of t is equal to 3 cos 100 pi n by 100. The frequency we found, the sampling frequency 100. So substitute here, we get x of n is equal to 3 cos pi n. So this is the discrete time signal for given x of t after signal sampled, we get x of n is equal to 3 cos pi n.